Today's math lesson is for Module 3, Lesson 11. The goal of the lesson is to interpret the unknown in a multiplication and division to model and solve problems. We're going to do homework problem number 6 for this video. The problem says that Leo earns $8 each week for doing chores. So for some of these problems on their homework, they're actually going to have two tape diagrams. So the first step is to do a piece of tape, one tape diagram, to show what the total amount he earned is. So if he has 7 weeks, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 weeks, and $8 in each week. So we're trying to figure out this total here. We'll call that T for total. So it's 8 times 7 equals T, and T equals 56 if you multiply those together. So he's made doing chores $56. But now you're going to need another tape diagram because there's another part to the problem. And we know that the total is 56 because we just figured that out. And it says in the problem that he buys a gift and has $38 left. So this right here will represent what he has left. And what you're trying to find out is how much money did he spend. So we'll call that S for spend. So this is what you're trying to figure out. So now after you have a tape diagram for all these problems, the students need an equation with the unknown. So the total minus what he has left equals what he spent. So there's your equation. We're trying to figure out what S is. So this is a subtraction problem. So the students need to show their subtraction. They'll have to borrow and get $18. So he spent $18. And notice how in this problem, in all these problems, the students need to tape diagram, they have to label it, they have to have an equation with the unknown, and then they have to solve with the unknown. That's 4 steps in each part to the problem.